Hello chemistry fans, and welcome back to Chemistry 1032 problem solving session. I am your host, Dr. Russell Betts, and I'll be guiding you through this problem today. Let's try that again. Chapter 8, Problem 1. Hello chemistry fans, welcome to Chemistry 1032 problem solving session. I am your host, Dr. Russell Betts, here at the Academic Success Center on Broward College North Campus. I will be guiding you through today's problem. So without any further ado, let's jump into this thing. So let's read this question together carefully. You will fill a balloon with 555 milliliters of helium at 756 millimeters of Hg. If the pressure increases to 987 millimeters of Hg, what is the new volume of the balloon? Alright, so this is a standard gas law question. This is actually Boyle's law. And how do I know that? Well, we have a volume and a pressure. Boyle's law is what relates volume to pressure. Boyle's law, says that pressure I, VI, pressure initial, volume initial, equals PF, VF, pressure final, volume final. So what I like to do with these kind of questions, I like to make a little list of what I have and then figure out what I need. So you will fill a balloon with 555 milliliters. So that's going to be a volume. So VI is 555 milliliter. Alrighty. At 756 millimeters of Hg, that's a pressure unit. So PI equals 756 mmHg. All right. What else do we got? If the pressure increases to 987 millimeters, okay. So PF, we're going to change the pressure to this 987 millimeters Hg. VF equals question mark milliliters. All right. So we need to solve for VF. Now, real quick, let me show you how to rearrange this formula. So this is what we want to solve for. Let's put a little red square around it. We want to solve for VF, so you simply have to get VF by itself, or isolate it. And to do that, you simply divide both sides by PF. Cancels on that side. So VF equals PI, VI divided by P. F. So that's what we're going to have to do. Alright? So VF equals, let's plug some numbers in. PI, 756 millimeters of mercury multiplied by VI, 555 milliliter. All that now is divided by PF, which is 987 millimeter Hg, like that. Now, what I like to do in these questions is I first like to check to make sure my units work. I'm asked for volume, so I'd better have units that cancel to leave me in that volume unit. So the millimeters of Hg cancel. That's a good thing. If they didn't cancel, we would obviously have an error. We need to have milliliters at the end of this equation. Now, the other question is logic. We know that pressure and volume are what they call inversely proportional. That means if the pressure goes up, the volume must go down. If the volume goes up, the pressure must go down. That's what we're talking about here. So at the end of this equation, at the end of this calculation, this number, because the pressure went up, let's go over here now, pressure went up to 987 from 756. The pressure went up, so the volume must go down. This number, the volume, VF, must be smaller than VI, or we've made a mistake. So let's get the calculator out. 756 multiplied by 555 equals, and then divide that by 987 equals 425 milliliters. Now, again, let's check for logic. 425 is smaller than 555, and the pressure got larger. So that makes sense. As the pressure goes up, the volume went down. So this number works out. The units cancel, leaving us in the unit we want, and the number got smaller as logic would have dictated it do. All right, so this is probably, I would say it's most definitely a correct value. All right, now, if you have any trouble or you still can't figure out quite how to do this question, please contact one of the tutors here at the Academic Success Center or come on by your professor's office hours during normal office hour time. And with that, I'd like to wish you good luck and good chemistry.